Hello guys, welcome to my channel, The Matching Mama. So I know it's been quite a long time now. I haven't posted or shared any video with you guys. So life is a little busy out here in US. I mean, with my son, I have not got enough time because last few weeks he was very sick. Yeah, I was extremely scared whether he had corona or something because we do go out now that the situation is a little better in US. So we do go to malls and other places. Absolutely, with we do have our face mask, but our kid under 2 is not. I mean, he cannot wear face mask, right? I mean, we tried, but he pulls it off. And under 2, it's not recommended also. So we never thought to put him wear face mask and all. So earlier we did try, but he would either lick it off or he would definitely use his hand and pull it out. So it's a little bit difficult to put a face mask. But ultimately, what we did really is we did go out. And so we got him checked for COVID test. Everything was done on him because he had a severe cough and as well as very bad cold. I mean, he had very bad nose congestion, which was really bothering him as he was suffering a lot. So I was like initially very scared, like whether he really had COVID or what, because his father every week, I mean Sonal, every week he goes to office and he had his COVID test in Abbott. So definitely we thought that when Sonal didn't have his COVID test came negative, and I don't expect either that I will have any kind of corona's symptoms either, because I was not feeling any kind of irregular behavior in my body. So, but how come when we are totally fit, how come he got this kind of, cold and cough so bad? And also fever was coming and going as well. I mean, in India, we can see that there's such a bad condition right now, and we were definitely scared and having those similar thought process, like what happened. But ultimately, we did run after doctor like consecutively every alternative day and get him tested first. And when his tests were negative, within 20 minutes of the report, we did the 24 hours of COVID test as well. That also came negative, and finally we got a bit of relief. But at the same time, here under 2 years of age, they don't prescribe any kind of medicines because it's not necessary, as they say. It will automatically get dissolved within 7 to 10 days. So we didn't bother to really. I mean, the doctors didn't really bother much, and they said it's a normal flu. It would eventually go. But days after days passed, and his cough and cold got severe. Initially, I was extremely scared. I immediately ran to the doctor every other day, as I said. And second day also, they said if it is so bad, then we will go for a chest X-ray. And the third day, they said now I think the lungs are totally clear. Second day, they said it is congested. Third day, they said like it's totally clear now. Only that the cough is at the back of the throat. So that is why he is coughing so bad, and he's feeling pukish also. After every feed, what is happening for him is he's like vomiting, and I was like, all the water is going out of the body, and so it was really hard for him to really eat anything, any solid food is unable to eat. And doctor also told that you can go for any liquid food, like only milk, and sometimes I mixed some gram flour as well as Bonvita, and I gave the Indian variant Cerelac, Nestle one. I'll just quickly show you, just a moment. So as I was saying, I got these 2 packs of Indian Cerelac, which I never earlier fed him. But then I thought, let's give it a try because this is a little liquidy, and it would be a good practice for now. But still, this also he was vomiting because there are some kind of, tomatoes and spinach, as well as, here in the fruits one, they have some kind of bit of apples and oranges, grained one. And so whenever he was eating, he was puking after each feed because he's coughing so bad. So we were totally scared what to do. And after that, we gave him cough syrup, but that is also his puking. We literally worried, but now he's a little better now, but his cough is still there. And also his nose is no more running anymore. Earlier he was always having running nose, and I used to wipe, and he was resisting. No, mama. Like moving away. And also we tried that incredible this thing. the bulb which we use inside the nose. Earlier when he was small, we tried this out. That time he was little baby, he didn't resist that much. Now he's like so much ferocious. Whenever I take it in front of his eyes, he would be like running away from there, and he was like, don't do this to me. He can't speak, but with his action and his movement of his hands, we can understand definitely that he's totally scared of this, and he would run off. So yes, with this help of this, only the doctor said you could use the saline spray, and with the help of this bulb, you could just try to pull out the mucus whichever he's having in his nose. That will give him some kind of relief. So yeah, that's all about his sickness. And eventually I was also quite lazy to edit all the videos which I have shot earlier, like when we go out to some kind of state park, last one. So that kind of time he was little okay, everything was fine, but all of a sudden I don't know how he became sick. But yes, we have to take care, and in future this is the first time he ever had his cold and cough kind of problem. But yes, with kids it happens. Fever, cough and cold, it's common thing. I suffered a lot when I was kid, and so definitely I do expect that kids will have this kind of problem. But yes, we need to take care, and we need to be quite aware, and also take all the measures which we can probably do as a parent. So yeah, pretty much that's it. This is not an excuse, but a genuine problem I was going through. And so yeah, I'll continue vlogging from nowadays and show you how my life is being here in US. And definitely all my weekend outings I'm going to share it with you guys. So stay tuned. Hi guys, so as I said, like I'm still giving him this multigrain dal with Cerelac, as he still breathes from mouth. So yeah, still breathes from mouth, and it's little difficult for him to chew food and gulp it properly. So you can see, here he is. Sit down, don't move. So that's his cute little chair which we got for him. Still he's breathing from mouth, so we'll continue giving him for the next 2-3 days more, and then I'll switch off to khichdi, normal homemade, which I usually give him. Yes, and he's watching his favorite show, Super Jojo. I don't know what else kids see, but anyway, right now he's having his lunch. So he's recovering still. Okay, he's getting hampered. Show is getting hampered, yeah. Alright guys, I'll quickly go and feed him. তুমি কেমন আছো? ভালো আছো? বেটার আছো? এখন তোমার ভালো লাগছে? শরীর ভালো আছে? বলে দাও তো। Show me your tongue. So, show me your tongue. Cut it. So, lunch হয়ে গেছে না তোমার? So, শুনতেই পাচ্ছো কিরকম কাশি হয়েছে। Still মুখে কাপগুলো এখনো জমে আছে. Still little weak. And it will take some time, as doctor said. Best thing here, unnecessary, they don't give medicines, but still I was thinking if they were going to provide any kind of antibiotics, but eventually they did it. So yeah, normally দেখতে কমে যাবে, right? Yeah, coconut. Okay guys, I'm going to share something exciting with you, so stay tuned. Finally guys, I'm revealing that I have got free clothing from Veso store as well as Jeskaku store. So they have sent me clothes to review it for them on their page. And, so yes guys, I was telling you that I'm pretty much excited to share with you guys that I've received few free clothings to review on in Amazon USA side. And so yeah, I'm pretty excited to collaborate with Weso as well as Jeskaku store. So they have sent me free tops and shorts. These are mostly summer friendly, must say guys. The quality is so amazing and you don't feel like you're wearing anything. So yes, this is the first one which I'm going to share with you guys. A green color emerald one is just perfect for summer. I was looking forward to something, buy something like this. And along with that, I'm going to pair this up, the shorts. And you can also wear it to gym. And there is a small pocket which is quite spacious to carry your phone as well as your card, keys of car, anything. So pretty much this is a set which I have got together, and I'm going to share you guys the pictures of it wearing them. And beforehand also I got this too. Already I've worn it once to a mall and it's so comfortable, as well as I went wearing this to give my COVID vaccine first shot. So this is another amazing color, little skyish blue, and this is a pocket here as well. The other green one also had a pocket, as I showed you guys. Yes, this is the one. The tops are from Jeskaku, and this one I yet to wear. This is a spaghetti top. These are all pretty much summer friendly, and I was really very excited to receive them, my first ever free stuffs to try on and provide review on their page. And absolutely I just loved it. And obviously I didn't lie about the fact, but yes, these clothes are very comfortable and perfect for summer. So yeah, I pretty much wanted to share with you this news. And yes, I don't want to drag the vlog to get much, and yeah, I'm going to share you the photos wearing them. And so don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share it with your friends and family. And yes, and hit the bell to provide to get further notification. And so that's all for today, and you guys take care, be safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.